The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to run your generator on gas as well as petrol. Now we can achieve this with the aid of the LPG gas carburetor. With the aid of the LPG gas carburetor, we can make use of gas. We can also make use of fuel. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the installation with ease. The installation process is very simple. It requires first of all, you remove the carburetor that came with the generator. Then you mount the LPG gas carburetor. That is just the process. Now, let us go ahead to mount the carburetor that is present in the generator. The first thing that you need to do is, first of all, is to remove the air filter. This is the air filter. Remove it. When you remove the air filter, you see the foam. You remove it. Then you will see that there are 4 screws here. So you unscrew them by using the 8th piston. Now I'm trying to unscrew the air filter from the carburetor that is present in the generator. After this installation process, I doubt if you require the service of an engineer to do the installation for you, because it is very easy. Now, after we have removed the air filter, this is the 10 nut. We unscrew it as well, in order to give way for easy removal of the actual carburetor. Then there's a screw at the back here. We unscrew it as well. Now we have removed the air filter. So what is left is the actual carburetor. So we'll remove the hose that delivers fuel into the carburetor. This is the hose here. Now that we have removed the hose, the next thing for us to do is to detach the carburetor from the generator. Now that we have removed the carburetor, the next thing is for us to mount the LPG gas carburetor. This is the LPG gas carburetor. Now, what is now left is for us to mount it to the generator. Mount the generator. And next, now we have mounted the LPG gas carburetor. The next thing for us now is to put in the air filter, to install back the air filter that we removed earlier. This is the air filter that we removed. That is it. We'll now screw it. Just the way we removed the previous carburetor. Now, what is now left is for us to put in the foam. the first screw that we remove. Next we put in the foams, one for the air filter, then we clip it back. We have finished mounting the LPG gas carburetor, so we'll put in the hose that leads into the air filter. So we are done with the mounting. So what is now left is for us to attach our gas cylinder. This is our gas cylinder. We make sure that we clip it properly to prevent the leakage of gas from the cylinder. And also, we now attach it securely. Next, we screw the clip to prevent the leakage of gas. Also screw this area too to prevent the leakage of gas. It to make sure that it's very tight. Now that we have screwed it, next we put in the clip, something we use to control the choke. Now that we have securely fixed the clip, that we fixed the carburetor, what we are going to be using to control this choke, what is now left is for us to start the generator. Now this choke has three levels or three phases. So if you want to start your generator, always make sure that you put it in second phase. This is for example complete opening of the choke, but we are not going to put it in this level. We are going to put it at the second one. No, this is the last one, this is the second one, and this is the first one. When the generator starts running, that is when you adjust it to the first level. But if you want to start the generator, you put it at the second level and not the last level. If you put it at the last level, the generator may not start. So we put it at the second level. Now this is the first. After this is the first, this is the second, this is the third. Now we'll put it on the second to start the generator. Now, but before we do that, we'll make sure that the hose for this thing, you can see, is not even connected. The fuel tank is not connected to the generator. But if you wish to connect it, this is the easiest way to do it. This is the easiest way, you just put it. But make sure that when your generator is running on gas, the fuel tank is off. It's off like this. But for now, we don't have need of it now, since we have to run our generator on gas. So now, the first thing for it to do is to turn the gas. The gas is on now from the regulator. You prime it for just few seconds. Once it is primed, the next thing is for us to start the generator. As you can see, the generator is not connected to the fuel tank. See, this is the fuel tank and there's no fuel in the generator, as you can see. So all we just have to do is to generator is starting. Brake and fuel, brake and the gas. And you hear the noise of the generator is less. It's not making those big noise that you usually experience when you are using fuel. Now, you can see the generator has started running on pure gas. This is the hose that connects fuel from the generator, from the tank to the generator. As you can see, there is no fuel and it's not running on fuel. It's running on pure gas, only gas. As you can see, easy installation, gas is running on generator, make sure that your generator, the gas is not facing the exhaust. This is the exhaust. You can see there's no smoke coming out from the generator. You do not see smoke whatsoever from the generator because it's running on pure gas. It does not dissipate carbon monoxide. You can see the noise is less. Your maintenance on the generator will be less because it is not going to deposit gas. I mean, it's not going to deposit carbon on your engine. So this is gas running on the gasoline generator. Just for me to start it. For that, there's no generator, there's no fuel in the tank, and it's also locked. So you can see that the installation process is very easy. You can see it yourself. Everybody can do it. Very easy to install, very easy to start. On your generator again, let me repeat. You first of all on the gas tank. You put on the switch. You put your choke on the second level, like I said first. On the second level, not the third level, the second level. The second level. There you start the generator. Then you return it to the first level. You want to do that, the generator will start with ease. Less noise, less carbon deposit, no smoke, no fume, gas, and consumption will be less. So that is that for the installation of a gas powered generator. I hope you enjoy yourself. If you have any information, feel free to call the number on your screen. Thank you very much for paying attention.